Them niggas are human. Australia is so pretty out there. So pretty. But if you know me, I hate bugs. Big bugs? Them niggas are human. They can pay bills how big they are. Some of them eat birds. Some of the spider out there are so big they eat birds. And they're fast. Uh-uh. You'll never see me out like there in Australia. And I used to want to go so bad until I found out they had human-sized spiders. But they're not human-sized. If it's the size of my palm or bigger, baby, don't come here. Don't even.